Welcome to Best Learn English Online.
My learning process. Once upon a time in a small, bustling town, there lived a curious young girl named Mia. Ever since she was little, Mia had a thirst for knowledge that couldn't be quenched. Books were her companions, and every page turned was a new adventure waiting to unfold. As she grew older, Mia decided that her learning journey needed to evolve. The local library, which had been her sanctuary, couldn't hold all the answers she sought. So, she made a plan to explore the world beyond her small town. One bright morning,
Ever since she was little, Mia had a thirst for knowledge that couldn't be quenched.
with her backpack filled with notebooks, pencils, and snacks, Mia set off. Her first destination was a nearby forest, known for its tranquility and beauty. There, she encountered a wise old owl perched on a branch. "Why are you wandering, little one?" the owl asked, his voice deep and soothing. "I want to learn everything about the world," Mia replied, her eyes sparkling with enthusiasm. "Then you must listen as much as you speak. Nature has many lessons for you," the owl advised before taking flight. Taking the owl's words to heart, Mia spent her days observing. She watched how the leaves danced in the wind and listened to the chatter of the birds. She learned about ecosystems, patience, and resilience, lessons not found in books but in the world around her. Encouraged by her newfound appreciation for nature, Mia ventured into the nearby town. She visited the market, where vendors shared stories of their crafts. A baker taught her the art of making bread, explaining how each ingredient played a role in the final product. A florist shared the significance of each flower, revealing their meanings and the emotions they conveyed. Mia took notes, realizing that every person had a unique story and wisdom to offer. With each new experience, Mia's understanding of learning deepened. She began to grasp that knowledge wasn't just about facts. It was about connections and experiences. The world was a classroom, and everyone she met was a teacher. One evening, as she sat beneath the stars, she thought about her journey. She had set out to learn everything. But she realized that the more she learned, the more she understood how much there was still to discover. Inspired by this realization, Mia decided to share her learning process with others. She organized community gatherings where people could come together to share their knowledge, whether it was cooking,
Gardening or storytelling.
The town buzzed with energy as people exchanged skills, creating a tapestry of shared experiences. Mia's journey of learning continued, not just for herself, but for her community. She learned that education was a collaborative process, a shared adventure where everyone had something to contribute. In the years that followed, Mia became a beloved figure in her town, known for her wisdom and passion for learning. She understood that her journey would never truly end, and she embraced each new chapter with an open heart, ready for whatever lessons life would bring. And so, Mia's learning process continued, like a river flowing, ever-changing and always seeking new horizons. My learning process steps 2. As Mia settled into her role as a scientist, she took on a position at a renowned research lab. There, she was tasked with exploring innovative solutions to combat climate change. Excited yet daunted by the responsibility, Mia was determined to apply her unique learning process to this new challenge. At the lab, she encountered a diverse group of researchers, each with different expertise and backgrounds. Recognizing the wealth of knowledge around her, Mia organized weekly brainstorming sessions where everyone could share their ideas and insights. She believed that collaboration could spark creativity and lead to groundbreaking solutions. These sessions quickly became the highlight of the week, transforming the lab's atmosphere into one of camaraderie and innovation. One day, during a particularly challenging project, Mia faced a major setback. Her team's prototype for a new type of solar panel failed during testing. Instead of feeling defeated, Mia called an emergency meeting. "Let's dissect this failure," she suggested, her voice steady. The team gathered around, and together they analyzed what went wrong, discussing everything from materials to design. This collective effort led to fresh ideas and a revised prototype that performed even better than the original. Mia also continued her commitment to self-directed learning. She enrolled in online courses and attended conferences to stay updated on the latest advancements in renewable energy. Each new concept she learned was like adding another tool to her toolkit. One day, she stumbled upon a course on bioengineering, which opened her eyes to the potential of combining biology and technology in her projects. Excited by the possibilities, she approached her supervisor with a proposal to incorporate bioengineering principles into their research. Over time, Mia's approach to learning began to inspire those around her. A junior scientist named Leo, who had always struggled with confidence in his ideas, began to participate more actively in discussions. Mia encouraged him to lead a project on algae-based biofuels, something he was passionate about but hesitant to tackle. With her support and belief in his capabilities, Leo flourished, and his project became one of the lab's most promising initiatives. As the years passed, Mia became a mentor to many young scientists, sharing the lessons she had learned throughout her journey. She emphasized the importance of a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities, and understanding that expertise is built through perseverance and curiosity. Her mentorship was not just about imparting knowledge. It was about fostering an environment where everyone felt safe to explore, experiment, and learn from one another. One evening, as she sat on a park bench reflecting on her career, Mia realized that her learning process had transformed her life in ways she had never imagined. It had shaped her into a collaborative leader, a passionate learner, and an advocate for scientific exploration. She understood that learning was not a destination but a lifelong journey, one that continuously evolved as she faced new challenges and opportunities. Inspired by her experiences, Mia began writing a book aimed at young learners, titled Curiosity Unleashed: A Journey Through Learning. In it, she shared stories from her life, practical tips for embracing the learning process, and exercises designed to cultivate curiosity. Her hope was to empower the next generation to take ownership of their education, just as she had. As her book gained traction, Mia found herself invited to schools and conferences to speak about her learning process. She felt a renewed sense of purpose with each talk, knowing that she was not just sharing her journey, but encouraging others to embark on their own. Years later, standing in front of a classroom filled with eager faces, Mia felt a familiar flutter of excitement. Learning, she began, is like exploring an endless ocean. There will be storms, calm waters, and even moments of wonder. Embrace every wave, and don't be afraid to dive deep. You never know what treasures you might discover. And with that, she inspired a new generation to view learning not merely as an obligation, but as an exhilarating adventure, one filled with endless possibilities. My learning process, Steps 3. Once upon a time in a small town, there lived a girl named Mia. From a young age, she was curious about the world around her. Every day after school, she would ask her parents endless questions about everything, from the stars in the sky to the tiny insects in her backyard. As Mia grew older, her thirst for knowledge only intensified. In high school, she discovered her passion for science. The smell of the lab, the thrill of experiments, and the joy of discovery filled her with excitement. However, learning wasn't always easy for Mia. She faced challenges, especially in advanced chemistry, where the concepts felt like a foreign language. Determined not to give up, Mia adopted a unique learning process. First, she made a habit of breaking down complex topics into manageable parts. Instead of trying to grasp everything at once, she focused on understanding one concept at a time. She created colorful mind maps that connected ideas visually, making it easier to see the bigger picture. Next, she sought help from her classmates and teachers. Group study sessions became a staple for her. They would gather at the local cafe, exchanging ideas and explaining concepts to one another. Mia found that teaching others reinforced her own understanding and made learning more enjoyable. Mia also embraced failure as a part of her learning journey. In one chemistry test, she scored lower than she had hoped. Rather than being discouraged, she analyzed her mistakes. She spent hours reviewing the test with her teacher, asking questions and clarifying misunderstandings. This experience taught her that failure was not the end, but rather an opportunity for growth. In her quest for knowledge, Mia discovered the power of curiosity. She began to read beyond her school curriculum, diving into books and documentaries about scientific discoveries. She developed a routine of setting aside time each week to explore topics that fascinated her, from renewable energy to the mysteries of the universe. This self-directed learning sparked her creativity and deepened her understanding of the subjects she loved. As graduation approached, Mia's hard work and determination paid off. She not only excelled in her chemistry class, but also won a scholarship to a prestigious university. On the day she received her acceptance letter, she reflected on her learning process and realized that it was not just about acquiring knowledge. It was about embracing challenges, collaborating with others, and nurturing her curiosity. Mia's journey didn't end there. In university, she continued to apply her learning process, tackling even more complex subjects. With each step, she became more confident in her abilities, knowing that her unique approach to learning would guide her through whatever challenges lay ahead. Years later, as a successful scientist, Mia often shared her story with students. She encouraged them to embrace their own learning processes, reminding them that curiosity, collaboration, and resilience were the keys to unlocking their potential. Through her experiences, she showed that learning is not a straight path, but a winding journey filled with discoveries, setbacks, and endless possibilities.
Video is over. Get out of here first, comment and let me know how you liked the video. And subscribe if you like your will and it's part 2.